Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight. This popular online asymmetrical horror game pits one powerful killer against four resourceful survivors. The game is constantly updated with new characters, maps, and features, ensuring a fresh experience. Players generally access the most current version available through official platforms. Playing older versions of Dead by Daylight is challenging because it's a live service game. This means official game servers are designed to only support the most recent updates. Consequently, older game clients cannot connect to these active servers. The developers do not officially offer access to previous game builds. While some community-driven, unofficial methods exist to access older game versions, they come with significant considerations. These often involve downloading modified game files from unverified sources. You would also need to connect to private, unsupported servers. Such practices carry inherent risks, including potential security vulnerabilities or issues with your game account. The only officially supported and recommended way to play Dead by Daylight is by using the current, updated version. This ensures you have access to all official content, features, and a stable, secure online experience. By playing the latest version, you can fully enjoy the game as intended by its developers, with a large active player base.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.